In the heart of the city throms a vibrant pulse, a place where grit meets grace, where every punch, every dodge weaves the story of champions. Welcome to Etro Moses Boxing Club, a sanctuary for those who dance under the bright lights of the square circle. Hear the air buzzes with the symphony of clubs against backs, feet shuffling and coaches shouting instructions, and the deep rhythmic breathing of fighters pushing past their limits. It's more than a gym, it's a crucible where discipline and determination are forged into the spirit of each outfit. Every corner of the club echoes with the philosophy of growth and mastery.